Good day my people, Oyinbo for you. I'm really happy to see you again. And in this video I'm going to show you how to make the coleslaw, the perfect coleslaw you are eating in Chicken Republic or KFC, Nigeria or anywhere. So I hope you will enjoy the video and I invite. So to make the coleslaw, or which is more correct, coleslaw, we will need following ingredients, which is of course the white cabbage, one small white cabbage, one middle-sized carrot, a half of green apple, some salt, about half glass of milk, about 1 tablespoon, flat tablespoon or a teaspoon of sugar, and I recommend you to use icing sugar, but I don't have any now, so I will use brown sugar. About 1 spoon of juice out of lemon, the lemon juice, and about 3 big spoons of mayonnaise. And you can use any mayonnaise of your choice. You can use a mayonnaise light if you're dieting. So let's start. So first of all, for the sauce, you want to mix your mayonnaise with your milk. You don't need to add it all, just control it. Sugar and lemon juice. I'm purposely not adding salt right now. I will show you when to add salt. And you mix everything very well. So that's the sauce for the coleslaw, and we set it aside. Carrot, yes. And now, if you are lazy or you don't have time, you can just use a normal kitchen grinder and grind it in the bigger holes. But I'm going to show you how to make it more crunchy, which is you cut it this size for you to be comfortable, yes. And you want to cut it maybe millimeters thick, more or less, yeah. And you wanna either cut it this way, which will give you this size strips, or this way, which will give you this size strip, which I'm going to choose this way. Yeah, carrot chopped very nicely. It will be crunchy, but it will not be too hard. Now I'll be chopping this apple by exactly the same way as a carrot. I'm gonna cut off the middle. And now we'll be chopping the cabbage. So first of all, this cabbage, we're going to take off the 2 or depends what is the cabbage condition, 2 or more the top leaves. I'll take off 3. This goes to waste. You want to wash this cabbage. Any imperfections, cut off. Like this. See this part right here? I'm not sure if the camera is focusing. This part right here, you have to cut it out. like this. And this quarter of chopped cabbage, I'm gonna put inside the bowl. And now comes the moment of adding salt. We'll not be adding too much of salt. We just want this cabbage to soften. So just a pinch of salt, not too much, I said. Squeeze a bit. Set aside. Chop the other quarter. Same thing, you want to cut this off. You can do it this way if you want. And same thing on the top of this one. No mixing, just a pinch of salt and squeeze. This cabbage needs at least half an hour on its own, like this. It will soften, but it will still be very, very crunchy. So this goes for half an hour on the side. I'll not chop the other half because I don't have a 6 people family yet. Only one son for now. So I'll proceed to the next step when it's done. Okay, so I didn't mention the onion before because it's very optional. This Coleslaw salad has so many varieties. Depends on the country you're making it in. But I've decided to add a very small amount of onion. This is half, not even half, of middle-sized onion. So if you are adding your onion, you want it to be extremely not visible and not you shouldn't feel it too much. The taste of the onion shouldn't kill the rest. So you want to chop it in very, very tiny bits. Like this, very tiny cube. This is the ingredients we are going to be adding to this cabbage when it softens. So when you already see that your cabbage is shiny and wet, that means it has given up the juices out and it's more tender now, but it's still crispy, crunchy. Can you hear it? So we're going to add all this. And mix it. And add your sauce. So this is your coleslaw or coleslaw when it's done. You want to, before serving, you want to put it for at least 30 minutes to your fridge so it can, everything can get connected really. And enjoy! Yeah, so that was the coleslaw or coleslaw salad. If you like the video and the recipe, give it a comment, give it a like. If you like this channel, you can subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.